We are geeking out today in Shorewood about ice. It was on many of our sidewalks this morning, so several of us have been shaking out the salt and spreading it on the ice to melt away. However, your typical rock salt or table salt, sodium chloride, only works until temperatures are about 15 degrees. We're getting much colder than that tonight. So a good alternative, this one's also pet friendly. This is magnesium chloride, and you can see on this little patch of sidewalk where I've spread some of that, this actually does work quite well on the salt. And temperatures, this works down to minus 10 degrees is this magnesium chloride. So that's a really good effective solution for when temperatures get really chilly. Another good one if you want to get really heavy duty, calcium chloride. This is also a little bit more expensive, but this does work down to minus 20 degrees. And you can also tell it's done a pretty decent job on the ice. Might need a little elbow grease to get some of those chunks off, but yeah, it's doing a really nice job there. However, we are expecting a nice warming trend, so if you just want to get some kitty litter for some traction, that will also absorb some of the sun's heat because those little pellets are darker. That's going to make it a lot easier to melt away some of that salt when the temperatures start to climb. Otherwise, there's another product out there called Traction Magic that does a really decent job. Again, that darker color absorbing that sun's heat. Or if you, like myself, like to enjoy a nice cup of coffee in the morning, afterwards you can just take those coffee grounds and you can spread them out on the salt. And again, that the nitrogen actually in the coffee grounds and the acid does a decent number and helps to melt away some of that ice. Something you may not have thought about. You also, if you are going to just stick to the regular rock salt, just keep in mind you want one little pebble of salt for every 3 inches. So one 12-ounce cup will get you 10 sidewalk squares or a 20-foot driveway.